Ever dreamt of making money online but didn't know where to start? Whether you're a young adult looking to diversify your income or a side hustler aiming for financial freedom, this video is for you. Stick around and we'll explore 5 proven ways to make money online. Let's get started! In today's digital age, making money online is not just a possibility. It's a reality for millions of people worldwide. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, e-commerce, content creation, and stock market investing, the opportunities are endless. In this video, we'll break down each method, share real-life success stories, and provide actionable steps to get you started. Ever considered the power of freelancing? Let's dive in. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide, giving you the flexibility to work on your own terms. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, developer, or marketing expert, there's a market for your skills. Take Sarah, a graphic designer who started freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. She initially worked part-time but soon realized the potential and quit her full-time job. Within a year, she doubled her income and enjoyed the freedom of being her own boss. So how do you get started? First, identify your skills and create a portfolio. Then sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Start bidding on projects and build your client base. And as you deliver high-quality work, ask for reviews to build your credibility. Now let's shift our focus to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a great way to generate passive income by leveraging your online presence. Meet John, a blogger who started incorporating affiliate links into his content. By partnering with major brands in his niche, he created a significant passive income stream that eventually became his primary source of income. If you're interested in getting started, choose a niche that you're passionate about. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create valuable content that naturally incorporates affiliate links and promote your content through social media, email marketing, and SEO. Moving on, let's explore another avenue for online income: e-commerce. E-commerce offers the opportunity to sell products online, either through dropshipping or by creating your own online store. With the rise of platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an e-commerce business has never been easier. Consider Emily, a small business owner who started a dropshipping store. By leveraging social media strategies, she rapidly grew her customer base and sales, turning her side hustle into a thriving business. To get started, choose a niche and research products. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, source products from suppliers or use dropshipping services, and market your store through social media, SEO, and paid ads. Next up, we have content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or podcasts can be incredibly rewarding. By building an audience and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, you can turn your passion into profit. Take Alex, a YouTuber who started making videos as a hobby. Through consistent content creation and strategic partnerships, he now makes a comfortable living from ad revenue and sponsorships. If you're looking to start, choose a platform and niche that you're passionate about. Create high-quality, engaging content regularly, build and engage with your audience through social media and community interaction, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Ready to explore stock market investing? Let's see how it can work for you. Investing in stocks is a great way to build wealth over time. By purchasing shares of companies, you can benefit from their growth and receive dividends. Meet Mike, who started investing with a small amount of money. By educating himself and making informed decisions, he gradually built a diversified portfolio that significantly increased his net worth. To get started, educate yourself on the basics of stock market investing. Choose a reliable platform like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Webull. Start with a small investment and gradually diversify your portfolio, and make sure to stay informed about market trends and make data-driven decisions. As we've seen, there's no one path to online income. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to e-commerce, content creation, and stock market investing, the opportunities are diverse and abundant. Each method offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your skills and interests. So start your journey to online income today. Explore these methods, take action, and begin building a diversified income stream that works for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the first step now. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Until next time, happy hustling!